Click on the link below to get price. The Household Bathroom Electric Dehumidifier is a game changer for anyone struggling with excess humidity in their living spaces, particularly in bathrooms and kitchens where moisture can lead to mold and mildew. This portable unit has several features that make it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy environment in their homes. First and foremost, its compact size allows for easy placement in various locations without occupying too much space. Weighing just a few pounds, it's convenient to move around, making it suitable for multi-room use. The sleek design is also aesthetically pleasing, blending seamlessly into any decor. One of the standout features is its silent operation. The dehumidifier runs almost silently, making it perfect for nighttime use in bedrooms or during quiet moments at home. The automatic shutoff function adds to its convenience. When the tank reaches its full capacity, the device shuts down to prevent overflow, providing peace of mind. Performance-wise, this dehumidifier excels. It efficiently extracts moisture from the air, significantly reducing humidity levels. After using it in my bathroom for just a couple of days, I noticed a marked decrease in condensation on mirrors and walls, and the air felt fresher. It's particularly effective after hot showers when steam tends to linger. The unit includes a removable water tank, which is easy to clean and maintain. The LED indicator lights help monitor water levels, and the overall energy efficiency is a bonus, as it doesn't significantly increase electricity bills. In conclusion, the Household Bathroom Electric Dehumidifier is a reliable and efficient solution for managing humidity in your home. It's portable, silent, and effective, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality and prevent moisture-related issues. Whether you place it in the bathroom, kitchen, or even a closet, it delivers consistent performance, contributing to a healthier living space.